Ryan Pellecchia from MSI Transducers. We were just acquired a couple of years ago by a company called Airmar Technologies. So Airmar is our parent company. It's really given MSI ability to do a lot more things now. Airmar is more of a commercial company. MSI Transducers has done a lot in the defense, very well known in the defense industry. The marriage of these two has given MSI the ability to do a lot more commercial and higher volume, which is one of Airmar's strengths. It's also given Airmar the ability to get into the defense market, which is something that they weren't able to penetrate before because they weren't really set up to do that. So that gives us capabilities that, with both companies together, to go all the way from basic materials all the way up to complete systems now for both commercial, high volume, and for the defense market. A couple areas that we're really focusing on with the AUVs and the ROVs and everything coming in and becoming a bigger product offering. ACOMs is a big area that we're doing a lot of development on. We've actually completed a product that's a transmitter that can do 100% duty cycle, so we can actually stream video from the ocean floor, which has been a lot of interest to a lot of people. We're coming out with other different ACOMs products that will be able to allow different vehicles to talk to platforms and other vehicles. We're also spending a lot of effort into the area of synthetic aperture sonars, which is an area that's growing. Side scan is kind of an older technology. Synthetic aperture is something that's new that everybody's starting to look at, and we're doing a lot of work in that area. Again, and being able to create the products with MSI and the design ability, and then transition it to a high production gives us that cost advantage of using Airmar. So in the area of synthetic aperture sonars, MSI has done a number of transducers that have supported synthetic aperture sonar systems, from commercial. We've got a lot of commercial customers that we're working with, all the way up to a lot of military opportunities that we've done. Because of the ability MSI does 1-3 composite. We do have other materials, but the 1-3 composite, one of the advantages we have is we can curve it. So we can make curved transmitters, we can make curved receivers, and being able to put segments together to make long arrays or shorter arrays with curved projectors has really made the technology work well in the synthetic aperture area.